Let's go to Florida. Good afternoon, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Bree, like the cheese, and I am coming to you live from the Tampa airport. And I'm a little overwhelmed right now, but I wanted to get this intro out of the way. We are spending the week in Tampa with one of my best friends, Sophia. She's currently unemployed for a month, and I am also unemployed. So I was just gonna come on a whim. We're just gonna do some Florida stuff this week. I now need to go find her. I don't really have any updates for you until I get in the car with her, so let's go find her. All right, we are in the car with Sophia now. Where are we going?
To lunch.
Use the right lane to take exit.
We have a white bitch talking this time.
Well, I don't know where the Indian guy went.
Okay, I guess we're like...
We don't know what the future holds.
Yeah, we're not quite sure about that. We'll go to lunch and then we'll update you after lunch.
The future holds so much.
It could literally be anything.
Yeah.
Okay guys, it's a lot later now. We're at Target and we are getting stuff to make gingerbread houses tonight, but we had to stop in our tracks because we saw this super cute pink Jeep, and now...
And Lola gave me a duck for my Subaru.
And this is Lola, our newest subscriber.
Hey, my in real life shout out.
What do I do? Do I just put it on?
Yeah, you just put it on.
Maybe do it more out here so they can see it. Like,
Wait, put it in their, like in their handle. Yeah, like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
We literally just came here for gingerbread houses, and look at Lola's hands. All right, everybody, it's the next day now. We are headed to see the manatees, which is the whole point of this entire trip.
Your unemployed friends on a Tuesday.
Literally, your unemployed friends on a Tuesday. We're going to see manatees at Silver Springs Park. We booked the kayaks last night, and we were so indecisive all day yesterday on if we wanted to go to Weeki Wachee or Silver Springs. We ended up deciding Silver Springs because the water just looks so clear, and oh my god, and there's monkeys.
Monkeys and gators.
I was really like torn between this one and Weeki Wachee because I have been to Weeki Wachee before and it was really nice, but apparently it's like different and you can't really swim there, and that was my biggest deciding factor. Was I kind of like wanted to get in the water and swim, but I guess you can't do that at any of the springs, and you're not supposed to swim with manatees anyways. So right before we went to bed, we booked this. First we have to stop at Wawa to get food, and then CVS because I need to get sunscreen and Sophia needs to get her prescription, and also one of my fake nails fell off last night in bed, so I'm gonna get nail glue. And that's where we're at. I never know how to end these like...
Girl, don't ask.
I know you don't know how. Guys, I couldn't be any more tired, but nevertheless, we pursue to the Florida Citrus Center with the fake oranges and the fake lemons. Guys, I couldn't be any more tired, and now I have to go to the Florida Citrus Center. What is this place? Literally, what is this?
Oh wow, this orange looks so yummy.
Is that $22 for a bag of oranges?
Why get those when you could get these?
Right. And don't forget the lemons.
Yeah.
Outfit reveal. So now it's Wednesday and I woke up this morning at 8 to the sound of Sophia knocking on my door waking me up because I did not wake up for my 7 o'clock alarm that I set. And I basically slept for almost 10 hours last night. I woke up this morning and I felt so ready to go. And we went to what was my first yoga class. But yeah, that's kind of where we are. Just showered, fresh, ready for the day. And I am not exactly sure what our plans are. So I am going to update you in the next video. All right, we are on to our next adventure. We just parked and we are getting ready to go explore Tarpon Springs. Is that how you say it? We are going to go to the Sponge Docks and then I guess we're gonna walk around town. I don't really know what's here. Who knows what we'll get into, but we just parked the car. So let's get out and let's go explore. Guys, it's literally closing time. Guys, we're literally at the Tampa airport and it is literally closing time. Okay, you don't want to be on camera?
No, I look so bad.
I'm gonna insert something over your face.
Okay, I was like, ugh, I need to work on my vlog personality because whenever you vlog, I'm like, and I'm like, damn, people probably think I'm a bitch. They're gonna be like, they're gonna comment and leave me hate comments and be like, oh my god, is that your friend? That's a secret hater. Fuck you. Not all of us have a camera personality. Sue me. But
you heard it here first, guys.
I'll work on it so that when you're super mega famous.
Put that on the vision board.
Yeah, when you're super mega famous, I'll be like, oh yeah, guys.
Like, I don't have your consent. Yeah. I didn't get a consent form for Sophia, so that's why her face is blurred out. Okay, guys, this is the end of the vlog. I haven't really vlogged since yesterday, since we were at Tarpon Springs, which is crazy. I don't have anything to say about it. It was just really fun. I felt like everything about this trip felt like a vacation straight out of the 90s. They had so many crazy old school souvenirs and like it was the same as the Florida Citrus Center. And then this morning
we saw George of the Jungle and that was so good.
I remember looking up and we were making vision boards last night and this morning and I looked up and Sophia's got on the floor and then all of a sudden the most 90s opening for a movie comes on and it's George of the Jungle and I was just like, wow, I'm really...
And it was a really good movie.
Yeah. But anyways, now we are at the airport. I am about to go home. I have 20 minutes to get to my gate. That's all I have for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It costs nothing to be nice and it costs nothing to like this video. And with that being said, I love you guys so much and I'll see you in the next one.